What's the cover say?
No, David. I thought of David.
Okay.
3 is Oasis. No, David.
Hold on. You gotta turn. Here, I'll help you turn the pages. Okay. Okay, here. There you go. Oh no. There you go. What's that page say? Turn the page, dude. We need the whole book. We need the whole book.
No.
Okay, well then read me. Here, what's this page say? What does that page say?
7 pound, David.
What does that page say? What does that page say right there?
That
What does that page? What does that say?
that's enough, David.
What does that page say?
Do you
And then what does it say?
clean up your food?
What does that say?
Clean up the food.
Oh, okay. Don't play with your food. Trey, how does this book end? How does it end?
No, David. No, David.
Show me the end. Keep going.
Except that isn't it. Put your toys away. That's a racer, Dad.
What is that?
That's a racer.
Yeah, it is a race car.
That's a bulldozer.
It is a bulldozer.
Come here, David. David. I love you, David. Yes, David. I love you.
Oh, you're so good at reading. You can read that whole book.
Home, table,
Okay, I'll go get it.